Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this explode effect, this like an explosion that about to be explode. This effect, this called fire, and I'll create it from scratch. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and let's start. First, I will create a map, just a gray map. So I will add exponent height for and just make this gray. Okay, and then I'll need Niagara FX. And first in this emitter, I will need debris. And what I need is debris on a spherical emitter, maybe 50, and I don't need any velocity. And I just need some particle